Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve trigonometry challenge, that is sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree is what? So if you want to try it by yourself, you can pause the video and write down your answer in comment box. And if you face struggle, please check out your answer here. So sine 30 degree, we should know the value according to the table. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 60 degree is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is, if we take the LCM 2, and here 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2 by 2, which is 1. So sum of sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree is 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. And if you have any question, doubts related to math, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.